Your Majesty, on behalf of the board, management and staff of the Eswatini Water and Agriculture Development Enterprise, it is my distinct honor to convey our warmest and most heartfelt birthday wishes to Your Majesty. As we celebrate Your Majesty's birthday, we are also privileged to commemorate an extraordinary milestone, 40 years of visionary and steadfast leadership on the throne. This remarkable journey stands as a testament to Your Majesty's unwavering commitment to the progress, stability, and prosperity of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Your Majesty, from its very inception, eWADE has drawn inspiration from your vision of a food sovereignty, economically vibrant and self-reliant nation. Under Your Majesty's guidance, rural Eswatini has been transformed into a thriving hub of economic activity, particularly in the field of commercial agriculture. This transformation has been made possible through strategic investments in bulk water infrastructure, including the Maguga Dam, the Lubovana Dam, and now Mbageni Dam, currently under construction. These investments continue to unlock opportunities for irrigation, agricultural productivity, and rural industrialization. We are deeply grateful to Your Majesty and your government for fostering a stable and enabling environment that has attracted international development partners and investors. Through this support, eWADE has been able to mobilize significant resources, with our current project portfolio valued at approximately 14.5 billion emalangeni. To date, these efforts have positively impacted over 155,000 eMaswati and created more than 7,000 jobs. These are tangible outcomes that reflect Your Majesty's enduring vision for inclusive growth and shared prosperity. Your Majesty, as we celebrate this special day, we reaffirm our unwavering commitment to advancing your legacy by continuing to transform lives, empower communities, and contribute meaningfully to the Kingdom's development. May Your Majesty be blessed with continued strength, wisdom, and good health as you lead the nation to greater heights. Happy birthday, Your Majesty, and congratulations on 40 years of exceptional leadership. Bayethe wena ophakathi.